Hi kids! Today we're going to draw a super cute little astronaut who's ready to go to space. Are you ready? Let's go! First, grab your black marker and draw two shapes that look like a circle mixed with an oval. That will be our astronaut's big, round, shiny helmet. Now, on top of the helmet, draw one tiny circle and one smaller oval. Those are his headlight. Tap, tap, tap. All lit up. Time for his body. Draw a strong, spacey body, then add a cool belt to make him look awesome. Now his legs and boots. Draw his legs down and two cute space boots at the bottom. Two strong arms with big, puffy space gloves. Okay, kids, his pants look a bit plain. Let's add some cool details. Draw two squares on his knees and then add a few straight lines, both up and down, to make his suit look cooler. Now let's draw his happy little face, a big smiling face, two cute eyes and a big smile. And don't forget Toad some shiny lines around his helmet glass. Now let's draw a small rectangle on his chest and inside it, one circle, two squares. These are his space buttons. And wow, let's put a little star right on his suit. On his back, draw a cool astronaut backpack. He needs that for space. And add a tiny flag on it too. So cool. Now it's coloring time! Are you ready, kids? Let's color part of the helmet and a bit of the suit in red. Then we color the rest of the suit like a rainbow. Yellow. Green. Light blue. Dark blue. Orange. And don't forget to color his happy little face too. Oh, look at him. He's a real astronaut now. Whoa, kids, our little astronaut is ready to go to space. But wait, something's missing. Can you guess what it is? Yep, he needs a big, strong rocket to fly. Want to see what he flies in? Then get ready for the next video.